So for this challenge, I will be showing you how to upload and make a folder on your Google Drive. So to create one, as I already did for EDCI 270, I will be creating one for my theme. So I'll go to New, and then you go over here to the plus sign where it says Folder. So you click on that, and you title it whatever you want. So for my theme is Child Development and Parenting. So then after that, you just press create, and then your folder pops up. So to upload a document or a picture to whatever folder that you want, you would go to New again, and you go to File Upload. So you click that, and then whatever you want to upload, you just go over to wherever you are. So you go over here, search for whatever you want, and so I'll go over here, click it, and then it'll say it's starting to upload. So it says one upload complete, so it's completed. So that picture is saved onto the folder that I assigned it to. So this is just saved onto the child development. And as to share a folder, you would go to whatever folder that you want to share. So I'm going to share the child development one. So then you go over here where it says your title, so child development and parenting. You can go over to this little arrow, so a drop down. And it has all a bunch of these things, and so if you want to share it, you click share. And then it'll pop up with this. So if you have friends that you go on and off with sharing, you can type in their name and it'll pop up. But if you don't, so I'm going to put my email, my Yahoo mail, so I'm going to enter my email for that, and then it'll go directly towards that. So I'm going to remind myself and say, this is for EDCI 270 badge, and then send. So that drive on that folder will automatically send to whoever you share with. So it says shared with one person. So the person that you shared it with will automatically get that email, and if they have a OneDrive, it'll go directly to their drive.